Hello friends and welcome to TechieJack. In this video we are going to learn about Azure AD Join. We will see what are the benefits of Azure AD Join and what options are available with Azure AD Join. So let's get started. First of all, let's see what is Azure AD Join. Azure AD enables single sign-on to device, apps and services from anywhere, and which also include like bring your own device, that is called BYOD. It empowers end user to be productive wherever and whenever, but IT administrators must ensure that their corporate assets are protected and that device meets standard for security and compliance. Azure AD is designed to provide access to the organizational apps and resources to simplify Windows deployment or work on devices, and AD Join has these benefits. Single sign-on, that is called SSO. To your Azure managed SaaS apps and services, your user will not have additional authentication prompts when accessing their work resources. They will not have to put the password again and again. The SSO functionality is available even when users are not connected to the domain network as well. And the second one is enterprise compliant roaming. Enterprise compliant roaming means user don't need to connect a Microsoft account to observe settings across the device. It's not necessary that you should have a Hotmail account or any Microsoft account. Third one is access to the Microsoft Business Store. Using an Azure AD account, your user can choose from an inventory of application. Windows Hello supports for a secure and convenient access to your work resources. And the fifth one is restriction of access. Restriction of access to apps from only devices that meet the compliance policy. You can restrict the apps. If device is not compliant, you can restrict all those apps and user will not able to sign in with their credentials even. And the sixth one is seamless across to on-premises resources. Seamless access to on-premises resources when the device has line of sight to the on-premises domain controller. Let's also have a look the connection option we have available with Azure AD Join. The option we have Azure AD Register, Azure AD Join and Hybrid Azure AD Join. Registering a device to Azure AD enables you to manage a device identity. When the device is registered, Azure AD device registration provides the device with an identity that is used to authenticate the device when a user signs into your Azure AD. And you can use the identity to enable or disable the device. And Azure AD Join means when joining a device is an extension to the registering a device. This means that it provides you with all the benefits of registering a device, and in addition to this, it also changes the local state of device, so that changing the local state enable your user to sign into your device using an organizational work or school account instead of their personal account. And registration combined with the mobile device management, that is called MDM solutions such as Microsoft Intune provide additional device attributes in Azure AD. This allow you to create conditional access rules that enforce access from device to meet your standard for security and compliance. Although AD Join is intended for organizations that do not have on-premises Windows Server Active Directory infrastructure, it can be used for other scenarios like branch offices. So friends, let's also see the difference between Azure AD Register and Azure AD Join. Devices that are Azure AD registered are typically personally owned or mobile devices. You can use a personal Microsoft account or a local account to sign in with the Azure AD registered device. The devices include Windows 10, iOS, Android and Mac OS. And if you talk about the Azure AD Join, the devices that are Azure AD Join are owned by an organization and are signed in with an Azure AD account belonging to the particular organization, and they exist only in the cloud, and the devices are Windows 10, Windows Server 2019 virtual machine running on Azure. We also have a third option, Hybrid Azure AD Join. In Hybrid Azure AD Join, the devices are owned by an organization and are signed in with an Active Directory domain services account belonging to that particular organization. You can use the same credential what you are using in your on-premises Active Directory to sign in with the Azure AD Join devices. It exists in cloud and on-premises both, and the devices are Windows 7, 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows Server 2008 or newer version. So guys, that's it for this video, and in our next video we will see how we can register our device to Azure AD and how we can join a device to Azure AD. So let's meet in the next video. So friends, if you found the video informative, do subscribe the channel and also check out some other video links on the screen.